Dan Kwambo. Yalla.
Formally inform you that I'm making myself available to run for the office of the President of the Republic of Nigeria. And I'm here today to talk to the delegates who will make it possible on the 28th and 29th of this month, which is our national convention. We cannot say because you don't belong to a party and therefore we must not give that respect. No, it's not allowed. Our tradition, party cannot divide us. Party is a vehicle that conveys you to the point of destination. And we thank you. Our relationship will continue, irrespective of which political party we belong to. So shortly, it's just that to let you know by your turn, and we have come here to talk to delegates.
But I feel personally obliged to anybody from River State coming to where I am. During my days as Speaker of the House of Representatives, if there is any one state that I can count 100% support, it was River State. And I will remain friendly up to this moment. So anybody coming from River State, wherever I am, he is welcome into my personal house or official residence. It is gratifying to God also to see people like you from Rivers too are aspiring to be president. That shows that the country is becoming one united country. And personally to also appreciate your role during the most difficult days of IPOB. I know what you did. As a committed Nigerian, if you had allowed the situation to penetrate Rivers, only God knows where the situation would have been today. So I think you are most welcome here. You are a friend, a brother, and somebody that we can eat together, but we may not dine together. Your Excellency, you are welcome, most welcome to Katsina State. And luckily enough, you know, Katsina, we are one family. We may be divided by political leanings, but we are one family. Most of the actors in Katsina politics today were also products of PDP. It's a political party. Most of the political actors in Katsina State. So it's not anything new. It's simply because I believe going the right way will deliver services to the people, while some of you believe going the left way. Which I think the right way is always better than the left way. My appeal to all politicians is that we should play this politics in such a way that the nation and the political process will survive. Without the political process surviving, nobody will survive. So I think it is important that we play according to the rules that we set for ourselves.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.